Forget boring socks and gift cards. This year, it's all about gifting the gear that genuinely transforms someone's day, whether they're a master crafter, a coffee fiend, or a tech minimalist. Why just give a gift when you can let them customize everything in sight? The Resparked engraving pen is the ultimate sidekick for anyone itching to make their mark. This cordless wonder turns everyday objects into personalized treasures. Think beyond paper. It lets artists and DIYers effortlessly etch designs onto 50-plus surfaces, from wood and glass to jewelry and metal. It's rechargeable, super easy for beginners to handle, and even comes preloaded with 30 different bits and a mastery guide. Say hello to custom engraved leather journals, unique glassware, or even just marking your tools so nobody borrows them permanently. It's the gift of endless creation. Ready to stop looking like a grainy potato on camera and start looking like a broadcast pro? If your gift recipient is into streaming, live commerce, or high-stakes video meetings, the eMeet S600 is a total game changer. It's packed with a Sony 1/2.55-inch sensor, meaning buttery smooth, crystal clear 4K video quality. That lightning-fast PDAF autofocus keeps them sharp whether they're leaning in for a gaming clutch moment or demonstrating a beauty product. Plus, the built-in dual noise reduction mics ensure their voice is heard clearly, and the integrated privacy cover gives instant peace of mind. It's the sleek, powerful upgrade their content deserves. Time to ditch those sad, expensive cans of compressed air and level up to infinity dusting power. Meet the Fanttik B8 Ace, the electric air duster that makes cleaning your tech oddly satisfying. No more worrying about chemicals or chilling the keyboard. This thing boasts a ridiculous 110,000 RPM brushless motor, delivering serious sustained air power. It's perfect for blasting dust bunnies out of PC fans, intricate keyboard crevices, and deep cabinet corners. It runs on a rechargeable 2,600 mAh battery and even features an LED light so you can see exactly where that dust is hiding. This is the must-have tool for the neat freak, the PC builder, or anyone who values a perfectly pristine setup. Finally, a charger that handles the phone and AirPods combo with effortless magnetic grace. Clutter is officially canceled thanks to the UGREEN MagFlow stand. This sleek 2-in-1 wonder is MagSafe compatible and built for the latest iPhones, 12 through the new 17 series, and AirPods. The phone snaps instantly into place for fast wireless charging, holding it perfectly upright for midnight notifications or quick video calls. Below, a second spot powers up their earbuds. It simplifies the charging routine, looks sharp on any nightstand or desk, and even includes a 3-foot USB-C cable. It's the little luxury of perfect alignment every time. Forget massive, complicated lab equipment. This pocket-sized device turns everyday items into miniature worlds of wonder. The TOMLOV P10 is a handheld digital microscope that's pure curiosity fuel for all ages. Got an error coin collector on your list? A jewelry enthusiast? Someone who just likes looking at tiny stuff? This device is perfect. It offers 100 times magnification, allowing users to inspect trichomes, fabric weaves, or the subtle marks on coins right on its built-in 2-inch screen. It's portable, lightweight, features its own lighting, and is tough enough to slip into a pocket for fieldwork. It's the perfect toy for the endlessly observant mind. This isn't just a gimmick, it's the full espresso experience distilled into a portable electric device. The Cafilas maker is a self-heating 2-in-1 system that takes both ground coffee and NS capsules, delivering true crema every time. Whether they're climbing a mountain, traveling cross-country, or just stuck at a desk without a decent cafe nearby, they can brew a proper shot with zero fuss. It's the essential gift for the coffee purist who refuses to compromise on quality, no matter their location. See? No boring gifts allowed this holiday season. Whether you're shopping for the person who has everything or someone just starting their creative or streaming journey, these 6 products promise utility and a huge smile. Don't wait. These gadgets disappear fast. To make shopping even easier, all the links are waiting for you down in the description box below. Grab one, check someone off your list, and make this holiday the most exciting one yet. Happy gifting!